Hello students, as we are doing the chapter that is computer networks and in which our last topic is left, that is network topologies. What is network topology? It describes the arrangement of various nodes through lines of connection and determines how the computer will communicate in the network. Basically, it describes the logical and the physical structure of the computer network, that how a computer are connected to each other. So these are the different types of network topologies, like the bus topology, ring topology, star topology, and all we will discuss one by one. So first of all is bus topology. What is bus topology? Bus topology in which all the nodes are connected to a single cable. The cable acts as the backbone of the network. One of the computer in the network acts as a server and leads the network, in which there is a one main server, that is computer, and all the computers are connected to that server, and this is done by a single cable, and the data will flow only in one direction, and each device is connected to a single cable. So what are the advantages and the disadvantages of bus topology? That it is used in small network, like in a small office. If we want to create a network, that it is best, and it is easy to understand, and it can be easily expand by joining the different cables. One of the disadvantages that if the one server or the computer is fail in the network, then the whole work will fail, and only there is a length of limited cables that can be connected to it. The next one is the ring topology. What is ring topology? In ring topology, in which each computer is connected to another with last computer connected to first. All nodes are connected in a circular. Each node is directly connected to the adjacent node, and in this, exchange of data takes place with the help of the token. So what is token? A token contains a piece of information along with the data. If you want to transmit the data from one computer to the next, then it will done through the token, and the token is passed to the next node, which checks whether the data was for it or not. If it is for that computer, then it will receive, and if it is not, then it passes on the next computer. It passes the token along with the information to the next node. This process continues till the data reaches the desired destination. So this is the ring topology, that how the tokens pass in this topology. So what are the advantages and the disadvantages of the ring topology? Network is not affected by high traffic because only the tokens are passing. It is not all the data from the all computers are transferred from one computer to next, but only the tokens are passing, so there is a less traffic, and it is good for use for long distance for LANs. And its disadvantage is that it is very expensive, and same as it is, if is failure of one computer, then the whole network will fail. So next is the star topology. In the star topology, all the nodes are connected to a hub through a cable. There is a one main hub through which all the computers are connected. The hub acts like a network server, and all the nodes send data to the hub, and the hub broadcasts the data to each node in the network. Each node in the star topology has its own dedicated link to the hub. It can be implemented using twisted pair, optical fiber, or the coaxial cables. And the advantage of the star topology is that it is easy to set up and maintain, because there is a one main server and all the computers are connected to that hub, and each node had its own connection to the hub can be upgraded easily. Now there are the disadvantage of this topology is also that is very expensive to use, and if the hub fails, then the whole network is stopped. Next one is the mesh topology. In mesh topology, each node is connected to all the other nodes in the network. Every node just not send data to other nodes, but also receive data from the other nodes. Therefore, if one connection breaks down, it will also affect the remaining of the network functionality. This topology is commonly used for wireless networks. Mesh topology provides fully connected, robust, and non-flexible network structure. Traffic is also less in this topology because the connection is only between two devices to which it is connected. And the advantage of this topology is that each connection can carry its own load. Faults can be diagnosed easily because there is connection between the two nodes and we can easily find out what there is the problem. And it provides security and privacy. The disadvantage is that its setup and maintenance is difficult and its cable cost is very high. Now there is a tree topology. In tree topology, it has a root node and other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. There is a one root node and others are connected to it. It is also known as the hierarchical topology. To implement this topology, you need minimum 3 levels of hierarchy. There is a tree topology is ideal if workstations are located in groups. And the advantage of this topology is that it can be easily managed and maintained, and error detection is easy. And the expansion of nodes is very easy. Disadvantage is that it is costly, and if central hub fails and the whole network will stop. Now there is a hybrid topology, that is the last type, that is it is a combination of two or more topologies. For example, in organization there are multiple departments and one department is structured in ring topology and other in star topology. So in this, if we connected the both departments, and there is a hybrid topology is that which inherits the advantages and disadvantages or the features of both the topologies. So in this way, as we see in the example, there is a hybrid network. In this, where is a ring topology, all the computers are connected, and there is a tree topology in which there is one mainframe and other are the mini computers are connected to it. In this way, there is hybrid topology is maintained. And what are the advantages? That its size can be easily increased and error detection is easy. And disadvantage is that it is costly and its design is very complex. It is difficult to maintain. So thank you. And with this, our chapter, that is computer network, is complete. So try to please read it carefully and try to make your topics more clear.